Hello, this is Sharif. Just nailed it. It is December 17th, and you know what that means. Charlie's Christmas Advent Calendar. We are on to day 17. Oh, where am I? Where am I? Where am I? We've got day 17. Excuse me. Let's see what Charlie has for us today. Oh, look at that. This is white marler nail glitter. This is really, really pretty. This reminds me of unicorns. But we're doing one nail only. I have got a stiletto nail that I'm going to shorten. Of course, that took off a little bugger. So we've got that. I'm going to file the tip. Just to make it smooth. Alright. What should we do? Guess I'm going to paint the nail white. To start with. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. That way you get notified of all uploads, all future videos. And this month there is a lot. I did the 12 Days of Christmas with Pumpkin's Nail Station. So you can go look for my playlist and check those out. I'd greatly appreciate it. Let that self-level for just a few minutes, seconds, whatever. This is so pretty. Polish on my nail. Again, this is the white marler nail glitter. Oh, let me see. This is a 3-gram bag. So I'm going to pop this in the lamp with that cure. I would normally do acrylics with this, but I do film in the middle of the night, and I've got more than just my normal family. My brother is here, and he's got some COPD going on, and I don't think that'd be too smart to use the monomer while he's sleeping. So we won't be using acrylics today. Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Looks like pink shards of glass. Oh, I'm excited to use this. Look how beautifully that self-levels. Nice, nice, nice. I'm going to use some Shoppe glue gel to hold the marler in place. Keep feeling like I'm saying the word wrong. I'm using the glue gel, which is, they've changed the name of it. I can't remember off the top of my head what the new one is called. Sorry, Tina. Sorry, Shoppe. I should be better at that. I didn't pull the new one out. So, but you can find them at SheModern.com. Check them out. Check Charlie's nail channel, Charlie's nail art out at charliesnailart.co.uk. I have a 10% off code. I am a brand ambassador in all caps. NailedIt10. Save yourself 10% off. Who doesn't want that? I am going to try and encapsulate this with some Yogi Builder Gel. I think Diana gave me this. This is clear. I've only used this once before, so please forgive me for that. I am going to pause and find a brush. Alright, we are back. I'm not sure how to apply these, so I'm going to use my tool here. Oops, I'm getting them all over my mat. I don't want to take them and sprinkle them, but that's not working. What if I can dip them? Well, you could. Don't really recommend that. You can tell it's my first time playing with these, can't you? So we're going to go back to this method. This is pretty. This is really pretty. It's like shards of broken glass. Okay. This would be beautiful encapsulated with acrylic. I will say that. And again, this is the white Marler, excuse me, the nail glitter. I could use a thicker top coat, but I really want to use this. I've only, like I said, I've only used it one time. So bear with me, please. Bear with me. I have got my brush. Oops, I think I got way too much maybe. I am uncertain because I know you do this, you walk it down the nail. But do you top coat over it? And it's like 5:27 in the morning. I got nobody to ask. I don't. I guess it shows I should pay better attention. This is cool though. Oh, it's kind of lumpy and bumpy. Let me try and smooth this out. Big old bump right here. Maybe I used too much product. I don't know. I don't know. So I guess I'm gonna try and smooth this out. I figure we got some filing to do. Let me see. Yeah, we definitely have some filing to do, but this is coated. I think this is really pretty. So I'm going to pop this in the lamp, give this a full cure. Wipe my tweezers off. Make sure you wipe everything off that the builder gel has touched. Clean, clean, clean them, because if not, they'll be sticky. Put that aside. Clean my brush a little bit. Now you're supposed to leave a little bit of product in the brush, I believe. See my beautiful brush? It's really pretty. Let's see. Clean my area up a little bit here while we're waiting. And there we go. Oh, it's still sticky. Let me pause here. I'll be right back. Whoops.